Hello everyone, now we will solve this problem where we can see that cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta is equals to sin theta plus cos theta. We have to prove this. Let's solve this. First of all, we will take the left hand side. So we will write the left hand side first. Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta. Cos theta 1 minus, we can write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. And we can write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Here we will take the LCM cos theta. So cos theta minus sin theta, and this is cos theta plus sin theta. Here sin theta LCM, so sin theta minus cos theta. It will multiply here, so cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. We will take minus common from here, so minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, this is the LCM, so cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the formula of a square minus b square, so we can write cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta cancel, so this is equals to RHS. Proved. Thank you for watching.